Santa? High five!
Too much, Daddy. Too much, Daddy.
Is that?
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Saturday everyone. So official na today guys na start na ang ating Christmas holiday kasi hindi na tayo babalik ng work until next year. And yeah, so it's currently 3 o'clock ng hapon guys. Ngayon lang kami lalabas. I know it's late na, but yeah, I'm just feeling very tired this morning. And hindi ba siya halata guys? Ayan, naghilamos lang ako at hindi na ako naglagay ng makeup kasi I can't be bothered guys. Like seriously, I'm feeling so tired right now. And but yeah, the family is here. Daddy Mike is playing his PS4 and Paris is here. Hi Nak! Anak, say hi sa...
Yeah,
Ayan. So, pupunta kami ng shops, guys, kasi gusto kong, anong tawag dun, guys? Kasi nga, diba, Christmas. So, merong mga Santa Claus sa shopping center. And I'd like to take a photo of Paris with Santa Claus. So, I don't know. I'm hoping it's still okay. I know it's late now, but, yeah. We'll see. Malakad kasi si Daddy Mike bukas with his friends. Kaya, yan. Sinabi ko sa kanya na ngayon na lang kami pupunta sa shopping center para... We'll take a photo with Paris. I don't know if it's still there, guys, but we'll give it a go. Are you all ready? Paris, Nicole? Ready? Ready?
Is that crocodile?
Alright, guys, we're gonna go now. So, I'm just gonna quickly show you my outfit, guys, before tayo umalis. So, ito yung ating red tank top with paired with this navy blue na ano guys, oh yung pang may square na ganyan, and I believe this is from French Connection, and I've got the flats on, ayan, and then first time ko pala to siyang ilabas guys, tong bag na to. Daddy Mike bought this for me for our anniversary at hindi pa natin siya na suroy kaya ayan, that's our outfit, very casual. Bye princess, come na.
I'm pushing.
Are you pushing? Okay, do you want to go toilet?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, let's go toilet now.
No.
Come on, come down. There's the girl. Paris sits in her chair now.
A pen?
Get my stuffy.
Where are we going, Paris?
Santa.
Where?
Santa.
Santa? I hope Santa is there, honey.
Maybe a water bottle.
Sit down, big girl. Do you know how to do it?
No.
Paris, where are we going?
Santa.
Take a photo with Santa?
Yes.
Show Mama your smile, be? Yeah. Show Mama here. Be how you smile with Santa. And show me your angry face na lang. How about your sad face? Happy face. Show that face later to Santa, okay? Hi guys, so we're here now and ang ating baby girl ay nakatulog na. So we drove for around 30 minutes, I'd say. Dapat sana pupunta kami ni Daddy Mike sa Chadstone Shopping Center because it's closer. It was only 7 minutes drive. However, we found out na yung mga shopping center ngayon mag-close sila ng late because it's the last week before Christmas. So everyone wants to obviously go to the shops and get whatever they want. So nag-decide kami na pumunta kami dito sa Doncaster Shopping Center. It's one of the biggest shopping center as well. And yeah, so hindi pa kami nakapunta ni Daddy Mike dito and we want something new sa mata. So that's why we're here. Ayan, ilalabas lang ni Daddy Mike yung ating pram and then we'll wake Paris up. Hala, tulog na tulog ang ating baby girl. we're gonna go now guys kasi alam niyo sobrang gutom na ako guys, like I need food in my tummy now. So sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, as soon as we get in, we'll find a food court para makakain kami kaagad kasi sobrang gutom na ako. You ready, Daddy?
I sure am.
Okay. Tulog na tulog ang ating baby girl. Ay, shush! So here's the shopping center guys. It's Westfield. We have to put a mask on.
Somebody?
Fine. Paris! Paris! Hello! Where's Daddy?
Hey, mommy. It's okay. Nila. Nila.
Ayan guys, kakatapos lang namin kumain. So now we're heading to find Santa Claus for Paris. And Paris is already dirty guys and wet. Dahil kumain na nga siya. So hopefully she'll be fine for photo. Ayan o. Anak, Paris to go. Have a look at your face. Ayan, dito na tayo guys. Santa's waiting room. Huh? I don't know. Oh, that's online bookings, Bob. To do it here. Yay! Are you excited to see Santa, Nak? Are you excited to see Santa? Guys, kawawa ang ating baby girl. Hindi kami makapasok kasi kailangan palang mag-book, guys. So, ayan, book na si Santa Claus. So, ang ating baby girl ay, I wanna see Santa, I wanna see Santa. Hindi, Santa Claus is book man, oh. Kailangan mong mag-book. So, nag-book na lang ako, guys, for 24th of December, 6 o'clock ng gabi. Pupunta kami dito para magpa-picture with Santa. But for now, failed ang aming plan. You wanna go see Santa? Ang ganda-ganda guys, oh. Naawa talaga ako kay Paris ba? Where's Santa now? Where's Santa?
Yeah.
He's there. Santa said we have to come back next day.
Please, Mommy.
Huh?
Please.
Please? The Santa is full. Anak, Mama will just take a photo of you there, baby daddy.
No.
Here's Santa. You scared of Santa? High five. Good girl, Paris. Good girl. Santa's going. Have a look at Santa. Bye-bye, Santa. Bye-bye to Santa na.
Santa?
Where do you think you'll go? Where's
Mama,
Santa?
Paris took to Santa. High five,
Did
Santa.
you high five Santa? Wow. Good girl.
Santa's gone. He's gone. He's going to feed the. He's going to give his reindeers food.
Yeah.
Let's
Even
go.
if you didn't take a photo with Santa, Mama took a video with Santa. How's that?
Let's go. Do you wanna go see if we can go find some shoes?
Let's
Okay.
go find the shoes. Come on. There's another Santa. our shoe. Ayan. Ayan. Oh, isa na lang naiwan. You lost your shoe.
I lost it.
I like it.
Oh.
Stop picking on us, honey.
Ayan. Punta kami ng Zara, guys. Nahanapan natin si Paris ng bagong sapatos. Kasi dyan ko yan binili at sobrang love ko yung shoes na yun, guys. So, we'll see. Dito kami sa harap ng Zara. Oh, that's excellent. This is so cute, guys. This. Pero gusto ko yung pang girly, guys. Katulad ng suot niya ngayon. Oh, what is that? What is that?
It's my bag.
Hala, ang shoes niya.
Do you like this?
Can't find. Oh, I hope I'll find the shoes that I like for Paris, guys. Itong mga ganito naman, guys. Hindi ko to type.
Annalise, this is in your attendance, ladies. Thank you, Annalise.
Come on, sweetie.
Sounds like you're being daddy.
Santa said, I like your shoes, Paris.
Ayan, ayun yung...
Turn around there. Turn around. You turn around, daddy. You turn around, daddy.
Ito?
Turn around that.
Pauwi na kami, guys. Anong oras na ba?
Yeah.
It's 8:09 ng gabi and tingnan nyo.
Ay, slow down.
Ang ating mag-ama ay magbe-bake ng cookie. Ayan. Paris is helping.
Try that. It's cake.
Are you helping? Paris? Oh!
That,
Ooh, what's that? Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Bumili kasi si Daddy Mike ng mga ganito. And they're all, anong tawag dito? How do you call this one, Bob? Like, they're all vegan.
gluten-free.
Oh,
Okay, we need to get some. Now, what we need to do
What's
is,
next?
Mummy, can you please go into the plastic bag? How many grams is that, Mummy? Bit
More.
More? More? More, more, more.
Oh, enough.
Stop.
Oh, a bit more.
okay.
You need to put more, honey.
More, more. Paris, stop, Daddy.
Ayan, inuubo na, oh. Kasi kinain man ang powder. Anak, stop it, nak. You can't eat the powder, Baba.
No, eating.
Maiting ka karon.
Right, stop, stop, stop.
Yeah.
Stop, look, look. Put this in here.
Okay.
Yeah.
You put the milk.
Put the milk inside. Put the milk inside.
Good girl.
Okay. Now, mix.
Mix, mix.
No one do it.
Chef Paris.
Mix, mix, mix. Mix it lots. Don't get it outside of the bowl, please.
Good job. Well done. Come on, mix, mix, mix.
Oh, this is some cake. Is this cake, Mommy?
Come on, mix. Yeah, you can do better than that, Nak.
A toy, Mommy?
No, it's okay. You shouldn't be eating that,
Yeah,
Nak.
it's cookie.
Come on. Here,
mixing.
mix, mix.
And I want to try.
Oh, Daddy will mix.
Daddy.
I'll ask Mommy to help you open that, please. Yeah.
And we've got this one, guys. Chalk bits. Nalagay ni Daddy Mike. Okay, one more. And,
Mix, Paris.
No.
oh, Daddy, I think that's very wet now.
I can try.
Hmm?
I can dry it out a bit.
How? What are you making?
Cookies.
Cookies.
Oh, it's so
Ito yung mahirap dito, guys, kasi yung kitchen namin sobrang liit. So kung kami tatlo doon, hindi talaga walang space doon sa bench ba. Kaya dito namin ginagawa sa
I'll try, Mommy.
lunch room.
I'm crazy.
Who said you can try? It's for our cookies. Ay, Daddy po niya. Try mo po di ay. Have you got more powder, Bob?
Try, Mommy.
Namula mo!
Oh.
Papa, ako sinabi. I love you.
I'm eating that.
Yeah, you're eating that.
Yes, so
Kita nyo ba ang aming Christmas tree, guys?
Very
Oh.
nice.
Sobrang ganda talaga ng mga lights, guys. Paskong Pasko na. Ayan. Nasobraan ni Daddy Mike ng milk. Lagyan natin ng flour.
What's that?
It's a flour na.
It's
Beer.
flour.
Okay, Mama mix. Mama mix?
Yes.
Okay.
And you eat no. Slowly, Mommy.
Slowly?
Yes.
Okay. Slowly, but you're slowly eating the chocolate too.
Was it thicker?
No, turn one later and then touch fast. No,
I don't know how it's going to be in the...
Yeah. Because you need to make it into balls.
Yeah, no, it needs more than that if you have to.
Pretty more flour, Daddy.
Mmm.
Too much, Daddy. Too much, Daddy.
Is it?
Did you put too much? Did Daddy put too much now?
Can I have a mix?
Here you go. Come here. Did Daddy put too much? Huh? Oh, shush! Too much flour.
Oh, it's sticking up now, Baba.
Woohoo!
It's eating all day.
Mmm.
Not finished yet.
It's not finished yet, my love. Daddy is still mixing it.
You put some chocolate in there, Baba, or not?
Go, put some more chocolate in there. Put some chocolate in there. Woy!
Put more.
Hoy.
I'll try.
Kaya one day, guys, pag bumili kami ni Daddy Mike ng sarili naming bahay, we'll make sure that we have enough space sa kitchen. Kasi ganito, pag nagbe-bake, kaya hindi kami nag-ano dito kasi yung
Like
kitchen
this.
namin sobrang liit at hindi siya parang engaging
Try,
ba?
Daddy. I want me to try it.
Like a
Where's the
little,
go?
little bit more, Baba.
Ay, sipat-sipat ka karon.
Please? More.
Giving me dirty look, Daddy.
There's a
Here,
milk.
anak.
We
Here,
need to
it's not
cookie.
in the mouth.
We need to make cookie. Come on.
No.
Put some in there.
Yeah, put some here. Come on.
Not just.
Yeah. A bit more.
Yeah.
That's it.
Like
Yeah,
that.
well done.
More, more, more. More, more. That's enough.
Good girl. Good job.
Oh, where am I?
Good job. Kamulog luto, kamulog pagkaon.
Read the packet, Mummy.
Which one?
The packet.
Hi guys! So it's now 9 o'clock ng gabi. Naluto na pala ang ating cookie pero hindi siya perfect guys. No? Kasi hindi naman talaga kami mga baker. Pero it look like this. Well done, Daddy.
This is for you.
Huh? For me?
And me. You can eat some, because I am for you.
Yeah, okay.
I'm serious.
Alright. Oh, you okay?
Red meat.
Good, that's alright. Oh, good, honey. So, ayan na siya, guys. It looks like this. Show the tita, B.
Show your cookies. Show
Show
the
the
cookies.
tita your cookies. And Paris is enjoying it now. Good job. Well done, Paris, for baking.
Yeah, there's more you made.
Wow. Ayan. Sobrang galing talaga ni Daddy Mike, guys. Kasi perfect alternative talaga ba siya. Kasi di ba alam niya naman si Paris, she loves cookies and cakes and all. And this is like, you know, vegan. So obviously this is healthier. Get some more. Good job. Blow first, okay? Ayan.
And then take the water first.
I drink the water first. Where's your water? Thank you, Daddy. Well done, Daddy.
Paris, did you make cookies? They're very nice cookies. Do you like them?
Very, very nice cookies.
Paris made cookie.
Well done, honey. Anyways, guys, i-end na natin yung vlog natin dito. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. And, yeah, we'll just give you a quick... Not yet, no.
Bye.
Not yet. Mama will do shout out first.
Okay.
Okay?
You share the cookies while Mummy sharing
Alright.
out.
Shout out to Salvacion Miguel, Maricar Castaneda, Lovella Radu, and also Shout out to Fritzky Marjorie Ramos, Daya Magallanes, Maribel Patiag, Marilyn Achivar,
You like it?
and to her daughter Kyla from Cagayan de Oro. Hello. Shout out to Edita Colibao. Shout out to Jovey Esin, LV Gabi,
Chocolate.
Grace Alday, Rosemary Franco, Myrna Raon. Shout out to Badet Marcos, Imelda Escatron, Carla Lorraine, Inday Tambay Vlogs, Sinmo's Planet, Erica Peralta, May Gao, Maricel Mabalot ang saya kahit kailan, and Jing Diases. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Here. Thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can,
Cover board.
Plankies tayo. Close tayo.